Want to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra super secure? Using a password as your screen lock is one of the safest options. Let me show you how to set it up and why it might be the right choice for you. First, start by hitting to setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap screen lock and biometric. Enter your current screen lock, either your pattern, PIN, or password. Now, select password. You will be asked to enter a new password. As a note, it must be at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. Tap continue. Re-enter the same password to confirm. And that's it. Your phone is now secure with a password. This method offers strong protection, especially if you are handling personal or sensitive data. Just remember to choose a password that's strong but still easy for you to remember. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.